Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Break a leg. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story about a play director who wished an actor to break a leg before a performance. It's a common idiom that means good luck. The break a leg idiom is not to be taken literally. It's a way of wishing someone good luck or success. To remember the meaning easily, think of it as a way of breaking the tension before a performance. It's a memory aid. Let me share a story to help you understand the break a leg idiom better. A dancer was nervous before her performance, but her friend wished her to break a leg. She was confused at first, but her friend explained it was a way of wishing her good luck. She felt relieved and confident, and her performance was a success. From that day, she always wished her fellow dancers to break a leg. Did you know that the break a leg idiom originated in the theater world? It's believed to have come from the superstition that wishing someone good luck will bring bad luck. Let me share some example sentences to illustrate the break a leg idiom's usage in different contexts. 1. I hope you break a leg in your job interview. Means good luck. 2. Be careful not to break a leg on the ski slopes. Means be safe. Can you make a sentence using the break a leg idiom? Here's an example. Break a leg. You're going to do great in your presentation. Rephrased sentences. 1. Good luck. You're going to do great in your presentation. 2. I hope your presentation goes well. Let me share a real-life story about a musician who was wished to break a leg before his performance. He felt encouraged and confident, and his performance was a success. Did you know that there are similar expressions to the break a leg idiom? For example, merde in French means shit but is used to wish someone good luck in the theater world. The opposite of the break a leg idiom is chance your arm, which means to take a risk. Other related idioms include break the ice and bend over backward. Let me share a story using the related idiom bend over backward. A yoga teacher always bent over backward to help her students achieve their goals. Now, let's test your knowledge with a quiz. What does the break a leg idiom mean? A. To break something. B. To take a risk. C. To wish someone good luck. The answer is C. To wish someone good luck. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments.